Today we're seeing what it takes to make incredible crispy, fluffy focaccia at home. First, the dough. Place the flour and salt into a bowl and give them a little mix, then add the yeast, honey, water and olive oil. Use a dough scraper like this and mix all the ingredients together using this kind of cutting technique until they all come together to make this shaggy looking dough. Turn the dough out onto a board and give it the old slap and fold to knead it. It'll be a little bit sticky, so resist the urge to flour it. Stop crying about it and just carry on. Soon it will smooth out and then you can shape it into a neat ball with a dough scraper. Drizzle olive oil into a roasting tin and then place the dough inside. Cover with a little bit more oil and then leave to proof for about an hour until doubled in size. More oil over the top and then use your fingers to gently dimple the dough all over. Drizzle with more oil and then prove again for another hour. Then dimple the dough one final time with your fingers to create these little pockets. Then you can add some olives and push them right down into the dough to stop them popping out during the cooking. Then finally add some rosemary and a generous sprinkle of sea salt to finish it all off. I also like to add a drizzle of water over the top of the dough just to pool in those dimples, creating these incredible soft, chewy little pockets in our crispy focaccia. Then just to finish off, a little bit more oil over the top. Then bake at 200 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes until rich golden brown and looking something like this. And that's it, gorgeous homemade focaccia, golden, salty, crispy, fluffy. I know you're gonna love it. So give it a go and don't forget to like and follow.